Right, here it is, January 31, 2022. I'm down at the East Bowl. Time is 10:04 a.m. We have some activity going on down here in the West Bowl, or East Bowl. Just pan around here a little bit. And I think they're just continuing with their trench work. Doing some trench work back over here in the social hub area now. So it's not a lot of activity, just their basic trench work and irrigation work that they've been working on for the last few weeks back into early January. And so that's what's going on down here. Just going to make sort of quick hits today of the various areas. See what the status here, the last day of January, then tomorrow we move into February. So I'm going to end this right here, and then I'm going to move on around to City Hall and the lagoon out front there. Alrighty. Right, here I am down in City Hall at the lagoon, looking over the Civic Lawn area, social hub area back this way. And they are starting to today work on their trench work for the social hub, Civic Lawn. I don't think you can really do too much in the actual Civic Lawn area per se, because the drink water plateau is just a concrete slab. So any kind of irrigation would probably have to be in the planters or flower beds that they eventually build on top of that, I would think. But I guess you could run irrigation up to the edge of it, which is what they appear to be doing over there. So again, just continuing to move along with the irrigation work. And no real sign of any construction beyond that I can see. I think the site supervisor was hoping to be into some concrete work over there about where that tractor backhoe is over there, but it doesn't look like they're able to progress far enough to get into any concrete work yet. Looks like they might still be loading dirt out of here. So we'll see. I'm just going to do this short bit here. I'm going to move around to the West Paseo, see what's happening over there. Today will just be sort of a short checkup day. I won't probably shoot much for very long. We'll see. Alrighty. I'm going to shoot just a short piece here. Across the street there in the trailer unit is the headquarters of the engineering company, Willmeng, that's shooting the, or that's doing the construction here. So that's their headquarters over there on site, just across Drinkwater here by the Civic Center Mall area. So just wanted to get a quick shot of that, but that's their headquarters. That's where they work out of and do their planning, take the break, whatever. That's their on-site headquarters, so I thought I'd just take a minute to shoot that. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo. Time is 10:26 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Check out what's happening down here today on the last day of January 2022. So, and looks like there's not a whole lot going on. Continuing with their underground trench work, whatnot down here. Looks like they're down on the far end right now. So I'm going to pan around here. I think they may be hauling dirt out of here down to the east end of the project. I saw one of the dirt trucks coming and going. They were dumping some dirt out down there, so they might be taking dirt from this pile that's down here and then moving it on around to the use in the East Bowl. But just kind of minor activities today, connected with irrigation largely, it seems. So we'll go up here a little bit higher. But mostly just a status check today. I don't think there's going to be anything really to film very much. Around here and see what's happening in the West Bowl. So, pretty quiet down here. I'm not sure I'll go all the way around to my West Bowl perch. Today the activity looks pretty minor. I'll shoot down through here. But just like looks like they're continuing with the irrigation work. The only thing I can tell you. So this will probably be a short day. I think while I'm here, I'm just going to turn over to my telescopic lens, or a telephoto lens. All right, here I am on my telephoto lens looking down the West Paseo here. Just going to shoot with my telephoto lens for just a little bit. Sweep back around to the West Bowl here. Shoot out into the West Bowl. You can see a cross over to the East Bowl. Here we have a truck coming in. I think he's coming to get more dirt. I think they're just hauling this dirt down for use at the East Bowl right now, seemingly. I saw it's the same truck dumping dirt down there when I first got here, so I think that's all they're doing right now. Just moving some dirt around that they need over on the east side of the project. Alrighty, I think I'm going to wrap this up here today. Just came down here to check on what was going on, see if anything new was happening, but pretty much just plugging along, getting done what they need to get done before they can start the above ground concrete work and whatnot. Still more demolition to be done down at the end in front of the Old Town Tavern, taking out that sidewalk, and they may be just doing something on the street. I'm not sure. Originally I thought I got information that they might be tearing out the intersection of Brown and Main down there, but I'm not 100% sure that's true. But we'll see. They will have to connect the Paseo with the intersection there at some point in time. So we'll see. But I think this will be it for today.